Now, talking about this Nnochiahaa, about this pronoun, we have numerous types of it, just as we saw in Nkejiasusu in noun, the types of noun. If you can't remember, just go back to the last video, you will remember. We also have it in pronouns, and the number one type of this Nnochiahaa we have in Igbo language is Nnochiahaa. Personal pronoun. It is a kind of, we'll still look into it, but it is a kind of pronoun that is used to replace a person, like Ngozi Nabia. You simply say Oh Nabia. You get? So we'll go into details. Okay, we also have Nnochi person. Nnochi person simply means the impersonal pronoun. It is different from the personal pronoun. Another pronoun we have the Nnochiahaa reflexive pronoun. Nnochiahaa reflexive pronoun. You are representing or you're replacing yourself. Nnochiahaa. Then we have Nnochinkonye. Nnochinkonye. It is a possessive pronoun. Nnochinkonye. We also have one other type of pronoun, that is Nnochinkonye. Nnochinkonye, emphatic pronoun. This might be a bit confusing, or should I say it might be a bit hard, but I trust me when I tell you that if you should pay a strong attention to this lecture, at the end of it you will understand perfectly. Okay, let's take a look at this Nnochiahaa. Nnochiahaa. This is a very popular type of pronoun. Yeah, you heard me. In Igbo language, most especially, it is very popular. Even in English, it is very, very popular. Nnochiahaa, sorry. This Nnochiahaa, it is a kind of pronoun. Na-nochite anya onye. It replaces or it stands in the gap to cover a person, like aneji anochite ahụ onye. Nnochiahaa. Nnochiahaa nke mbụ, Nnochiahaa nke abụọ na Nnochiahaa nke atọ. Ụdị Nnochiahaa a ha na-arụkọ ọrụ ha na mkpolu na ụbara, singular and plural, they work hand in glove. Now, ọ bụrụ na ị bịa na Nnochiahaa nke mbụ, first person pronoun, ebe mkpolu enwere m, a, e. Ebe ụbara ya enwere anyị, mụnwa, a, e nọ na mkpolu. Ịbịa na ụbara ya ọwụrụ anyị. That is for the first person pronoun. Me. Whereas the plural is we. Me and we. Now, if you come to the second person pronoun, second person pronoun, you see something like ga, ga, under the singular. Now, under the pronoun, you see something like unu, ga, unu, second person pronoun. Now, under the third person pronoun, we have something like ya, o, ya, o, and under the plural, we have ha. All these examples are pronouns. You use them to replace what? Noun.